Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Thank you for tuning in. These are the nails that are actually in my intro. I wore them on Thanksgiving a couple months ago of 2022. They're short, and I wanted, like, there's a bling throw up kind of look that I wanted to go for, and I nailed it with this. So I was just sizing my nails out here and make sure that I had the right sizes. I never wore these before, so I had to measure it out, and I actually do write them down so I don't have to size them out again. I keep them in a notebook. I needed them to be short because I had already started cooking for Thanksgiving. This was the first year that my sister and I had Thanksgiving with just us. We usually have family, and then I usually go to my in-laws. This year, of course, with us losing our mom, I didn't really feel like being around a whole bunch of other family, so it was nice. And I did end up spending Christmas with family, and my kids got to spend New Year's with my husband's family. So we are like in mourning, but things are moving along. We're feeling better. We're being more social. I haven't hidden away like I really want to, but yeah, I had to make the turkey. That was the best thing I made. I made the turkey. I made the collard greens, cornbread, rice, and something else. I forgot what else, and I didn't like it, but something else. I think I ended up throwing it away. But anyway, I am filing off the little tip of the nail and then buffing away. I believe these nails actually come pre-buffed, but it's just a habit. So I buff the nails a little bit. I just don't have to go into detail as much with these nails. And then after I buff, I'll go in with a thin layer of base coat, which I use Model 1's base coat and top coat. Glossy, if I'm using the glossy top coat, it's Model 1's. Like I said, a thin layer right now of base coat. And then after I have the base coat, I'll go in with my builder gel / hard gel, my Saviland. Love it. This was the bottle that I actually loved. I finished every drop of this bottle. I didn't have such a thick layer after I'm done. Like, it did what it was supposed to do. Like I said, I'll buy another bottle, and if it acts the same way that this second one that I have acts, I will be looking for another one. But the consistency on that, and I actually want to try Lizette's hard gel. I'm actually going to look into that right now. I want to try some of her pastel hard gels. That way I won't have to polish it. But I just enjoy the clear gel. I keep forgetting to encapsulate. I've done it once or twice, and I haven't done it since like April. So I want to try encapsulating. My birthday is coming up, so I'll encapsulate some glitter, and then I'll do the Aquarius thing. Here I'm actually curing the nail for 30 seconds after I add the hard gel onto the nail. And again, I go from pinky to pinky, ring finger, middle, so on. And now that I'm done, I am going to wipe it off with a lint-free nail wipe and some alcohol, rubbing alcohol. I use 91%. After I rub off the gunk, it's a little thin layer, I'll go ahead and I add the polish. Now this polish it was like a 6-pack, and I love it. It's from Amazon. I loved it so much I ended up buying 2 of the nude colors on their own because I ran out of the colors of certain ones in that pack. So I'm going to go through that pack and see what else I have to rebuy. Again, I have nails from my husband's birthday. He's a Sagittarius. I should go ahead and edit that and post it. I'm just going to go ahead and do it. I mean, I've been doing it. I just haven't shown it. And why not? Again, I'm looking for sanding bits, drill bits, and these are my favorites. I got it from Amazon. Actually, no, I got it from the nail supply store here in South Florida. That's where I live, in Palm Beach County. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you can find them anywhere. I have seen them on Amazon just to look because again, I'm not going to that nail store. And here I'm using the duster, this thing, I love it. Turn it on, and I add the bits to my drill just to get all the hard filing out of the way. This gel actually settled nicely. I didn't have a lot of lumps with this one. Like again, with the one I use now, lumps come in, and I don't know what's going on, but we move. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna push through. It's been doing good all these months. Like, I'm not stopping now. I will just figure it out. But like I said, this was my favorite bottle. Didn't have much filing to do. I'm out of frame on here because this was before I got my setup the way that I like it. That was a part of the reason I also didn't share. The angle that I have now is my favorite, but I bumped my phone a lot right here. You see a lot of other stuff that I don't want you to see here. Like, I did not like this angle, and I messed up a lot. I'm sorry, but like I said, this will be the last one where I'm out of frame like this. The new way I have it set up, I'm pretty good. Okay, I think I've been talking too much. I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of the video. It's not that much longer. Rhinestones, Amazon, the butterfly I actually got from the nail supply. It's kind of like a beauty supply store, but it's a nail supply store. It's on a major road here, so if you're looking for it, you'll find it. It's one of the first ones that'll pop up. Yeah, enjoy. I did something different here and added the top coat before I added the rhinestones. I can't remember why. I'm thinking that I want to make sure that it was shiny everywhere. I was thinking about using the weed plant, but I didn't. I put my butterflies in the same pack so that I could find them easier. This pack is from Amazon, like I said, and so I'm going ahead and I'll just add a little dot of the Macart rhinestone glue before each rhinestone that I put on. And this is the final product. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, comment, tell me if you like them or if you would wear these or if you would do them. See you next time.